What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you can see right now, you can hear the gears are fully installed right now. Got them yesterday and decided that I would waste absolutely no time getting this car back together in its full form. The video that I made yesterday was basically a video of, not yesterday, the most recent video, sorry, I made. It was of doing a mock setup of the car to really get it, together and see what would work, what wouldn't work, and it went back together pretty smoothly. Didn't have much problems with everything, bolted back up on fine, and this is how it is right now. Everything installed, right? The only thing that I have left to do now is to just now tune the car. See, everything back together, guys. Trying to make my wiring a little bit more neater, but we are there, due to cosmetic parts. And as I said before, that the intercooler and the hot glue that I put on it, add some weight to the front and basically acting as a weight bar. Have a bar coming straight across to the other side right there, that basically is serving as a tension as well to get everything firm, so I can go down the track properly. Now here we're going to move over to the gears that are actually inside of this car, which, give me a second, I'm trying to put back at the body. Yep, which as you can see right there, if I zoom in, it says M chassis reinforced gear set. So this is what they are. So it's the same gears that come in the stock buy when you actually buy from the store. However, for this, it's just reinforced, so it's not like it's the speed gears where I'm gonna get more speed out of it. It's just the reinforced version to what comes with the stock setup. So bought two of them, have these for backup, and believe me guys, I'm anxious to get out there and tune, but as you can see, it's snowing outside. So therefore, it's gonna take some time for all of that to dry up and whatever. That's really part of the life of living in Canada. Anyways, it is what it is. But I just want you guys to just stay tuned for this. I'll be trying to break and maintain the record of having the fastest Tamiya MO5 out there, and I really think that we can pull it off. So I want you to just subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed before, and follow the build, and tell a friend to tell a friend that right now it's about time you subscribe and join the movement. And if you want one of these machines, you can try to source them up and see which one you can really get your hands on. As I said, they're kind of cheap, not very expensive. And look what I did with mine. This car is coming from, you could say, a far way. If you follow the vlogs, you would know. And somebody commented the other day and said that they try to make their own drag build, and first time they launch the car, all the gears stripped off. Well, I mean, that will happen if you don't know what you're doing. I've tortured this chassis a lot, and just stripped the gear just the other day, and I've run foam, as you can see over there, along with the rubber. So it's just about how you deal with the car. Power to weight ratio is good. If you put a very heavy battery in the car, it's gonna stress the gears. I know right now the gears gonna get stressed with this car because the weight that I add to it, but that's why again ordered the reinforced gear set. So I'm gonna put some more power now, 6.5 turn motor as I said before, and yeah, just stay tuned for the tune. And yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend, and leave a comment.